Hi everyone, my name is Alex Carlson. I'm a librarian at the Westmont Public Library, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief overview of our straw and raised bed gardens, as well as talking to you about our upcoming gardening series that will be happening on the second and fourth Tuesdays throughout the summer. So as you can see here, we are panning by our raised and straw bale gardens, and they're in a variety of different planting stages right now. We planted just a couple weeks ago, and so things are starting to take root and get things going. And we're really happy with the progress so far. Now, in the coming weeks, I'll be describing how you can actually set up your own raised bed garden and set up your own straw bale garden at home, what you need to get started, what grows well in both of those, and how to prepare for the fall and then the winter sowing as well. We'll kind of be covering everything from top to bottom. So it's going to be quite the varied set of things. I leave you today with a little montage of the construction of our garden. We've got a variety of community members here helping out. And so please enjoy this and keep a lookout for these videos in the upcoming weeks. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.